Jay Swift here with a very special report about healthy vending machines. I go to college, and earlier this year they replaced some of the good old-fashioned American vending machines that sell really great calorie-loaded produce with these newfangled machines provided by some satanic organization called Snacklight. Snacklight, I think, is run by the Ku Klux Klan. I'm not sure if that's accurate or not, but they might as well be. I believe Adolf Hitler has a patent for this machine, if you were wondering. So basically what you'll notice here is all the food looks incredibly inedible and are things that no one in their right mind would ever want to spend money on. As you can see, the food is absurdly overpriced in quantities small enough that even your common dwarf cannot find sustenance in the product. I mean, just look at some of this stuff. Okay, let's see, hold on. Oh, look at that. Granola thins. Yeah. Ooh, what is that? Like one melted milk dud. 90 cents. Yeah, I'm all about that. Let's see what else we have here. Oh, we've got generic energy drinks. We've got milk that costs like $3. We've got stupid snack fruit thingies. Generic organic soda. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I'm all about this. Maybe I can kick back and have myself some. What is that, buddy fruit? What the hell is a buddy? What fruit is that exactly? So, yeah, I just want to call your attention to this abomination of technology. I don't know if you're familiar. What's that, Pepto-Bismol? So yeah, I just want you to know that our rights are under siege. Our rights to Pop-Tarts and wintergreen chewing gum and really greasy potato chips. Our inalienable rights that our forefathers all died for. Under attack by Big Vending. Fight for your rights. It's an F. Because I give this machine an F. For freaking not cool. Yeah.